Hello, Jacqueline Haley here, Hand of the Queen, coming to you this evening with the drawing for my first 300 plus subscriber giveaway. All right, are you excited? I am. So I'm going to show you, I have this container that I'm going to put the names in. We'll start with U.S. names first, and I will show the names as I fold them and put them into this plastic container. So let me set the prizes aside. Maybe that will be better. Here is the container. All right, and these were the order that they came in. The first one was Country Girl First. All right, I'm going to fold Country Girl, Sheila, place her in the bucket. The next entry as it came in was Debbie Vignola. All right, Debbie, I'm folding you. Are you guys seeing this? Putting you in the bucket. The next one is Casey Creates. Are you seeing these? It's Carla. All right, Carla, I'm folding you. Putting you in the container. The next one is Uniquely Yours by Dawn Marie. All right, Dawn. Going to fold you. Put you in. The next one is Grandma's Accessories, Diane. Folding Diane. I'm putting her in the bucket. All right. The next one is Jeannie Dreamer. Jeannie, I'm folding you. I'm dropping you in the bucket. The next one is Vanessa Angel Rose. Vanessa, I'm folding you. I'm placing you in the bucket. The next one, Hands of a Miracle, who is Tina, here in Roanoke. Tina, I'm folding you, placing you in the bucket. The next one, Gypsy Girl Crafts by Pamela. Pamela, I'm folding you, and I'm placing you into the bucket. All right, the next one is Olivia Hernandez. Olivia, I'm folding you. I'm placing you in the bucket. The next one is Shirley Wilson. Shirley, I'm folding you, and I'm placing you, dropping you in the bucket. All right, the next one is Vintage Rose Creations, who is Kim. I call her Kimmy. Kimmy, I'm folding you. I'm placing you in the bucket. The next one is Rhonda Coleman. Rhonda, I'm folding you. I'm placing you in the bucket. And the last USA is Margaret Clevenger. Margaret, I'm folding you. I'm placing you in the bucket. Rhonda and Margaret's entries have not arrived. They're on the way. Should either one of them win, their prize will be held until their pocket is received. So I'm placing the lid on, giving it a good shake. All right, I'm not looking. I'm going to go in for the first prize. I got one. Who is it? No, I got two. I got to do it again. How in the world that happened? I don't know who they were. Okay, I got one this time. It is Debbie Vignola. Debbie, you have won a journal. I don't know which one you would like. One is you'll have to go back and review and let me know which one you want. So I'm not going to go into describing them. This is one. You will have to go back and review the video to see which one you would like. And this is the other one. All right, now for the international, after Debbie has chose which journal she wants, then someone from the international will receive the next journal. So we have Karen Billinger going to international now. Karen Billinger. We have Lynn Bentley. We have Pearl and Button, who is Siobhan. I'm folding you, Siobhan, and I'm dropping you in the bucket. We have Shar Fisher from the Netherlands. Folding you, putting you in the bucket. We have Lynn Noakes of Shabbylicious. All right, Lynn, you're going into the bucket. And I have Debbie Brown. Debbie, you're going into the bucket. And I have, Sarah's Shabby Chic. Sarah, you are going into the bucket. I have Shabby Monique Brocante. Monique, you're going into the bucket. Cash Crafts from Scotland. You're going into the bucket. Lynn's Crafty Life. You're going into the bucket. That's all of the international. For the remaining journal, I'm going to shake it up. All right, I'm going in. I have one. Let's see who it is. Sarah's Shabby Chic Creations. Congratulations, Sarah. You have won a journal. I don't know which one. After Debbie chooses hers, you will win the other one. All right. So that concludes that. And you also will receive $20 into your PayPal for each one of the journals. Debbie, you will receive a journal that you select, plus 20 in your PayPal. And Sarah, you will receive $20 into your PayPal and your journal as well. Again, please review the videos for these. All right, now let me lay these aside and we'll go on to prize 3 and 4. And we're back to USA. All right, 3 and 4 is the clutch with the journal laces or the mirror. Okay, let's go with USA. All right, let me move this aside. Going to pick one. Who is it? Shirley Wilson. Congratulations, Shirley. You have won one of the 3rd or 4th prize. You select the one you want and we'll get the international one now. Okay. International. Who is it? Lynn Bentley. Congratulations, Lynn. You have won whichever one Shirley does not choose. Okay, so we have Debbie Vignola winning from the USA. And we have, who was the other one? Sarah's Shabby Chic. And then we had, that was 1 and 2. And then we had Shirley Wilson, number 3. And Lynn Bentley, number 4. So this is 3 and 4. All right. So we're done. There's no monetary amount to 3 and 4. Now, I would like to say, to everyone who supported me for my first challenge, excuse me, I'm out of breath. I'm so excited. For my first challenge giveaway. Of course, I made a few mistakes, like ending the challenge on Veterans Day, and I took some hits and bumps along the way, but thanks to all of you awesome supporters who helped me see the lights at the end of the journey, I successfully hosted a great challenge giveaway. I hope to achieve a greater challenge giveaway in the new year of 2019. Something is bothering me. I'm wondering, did I call out Gypsy Girl Crafts by Pamela? I surely must have. You know, I'm always making mistakes. Hands of a Miracle, Olivia. I guess I did. Maybe I had 2. Here's Gypsy Girl Crafts by Pamela. I don't know. I'll have to go back and review my video and see if I did call her out. Maybe it was stuck together. I don't know why Pamela's coming to mind, but I I'm going to go back and review the video to make sure I didn't leave Pamela out. I hope I haven't, Pamela. I'm just so excited. And I hope I didn't fold two together. If I did, I will certainly have to make it up to you. You know, this is always happening to me. But thank you, everyone, for watching. And happy trails. We'll meet again soon. You all have been such wonderful supporters, and I really value your friendship. And just to let you know, there will be a sweet surprise coming your way for the ones that didn't win, and also an extra for the ones that did. It's just a token from me and my way of thanking you. All right, goodbye.